Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I'm back again with another super affordable wig review. This is going to be a glueless install because I want to keep things simple. I want to keep things as easy and quick and basic as possible. Let me just introduce you to the girl of the night. I'm gonna take it back to my copper days, at least for one night or one video. Her name is Mindy, and she is from the Melted Hairline line from Outre. I try to keep things as authentic as possible, as real as possible, and as honest as possible. I've been holding off on wearing this girl for a minute, and I'm like, you know what? Now would be the time to give her a try. All right, confession time, right? I don't like red hair. I don't. On other people, I think it looks absolutely stunning, amazing. I love red hair, but when it comes to me, I just don't necessarily feel all the way with it. You know what I mean? It looks so pretty on her. And that's the funny thing about wigs, whether they're synthetic, human, out of a pack, made out of bundles. I recently had somebody ask me a question in a post that I was tagged on Instagram, and she asked me, I got the same exact wig as you from this company, but my hair is not as curly as yours. You know, did you use a curling iron? And I had to let her know, no, I just wore it straight out the pack, but I did use my hands and my fingers to kind of comb through it from the root. And she asked me, well, what kind of spray did you put on it? And I said, well, I didn't spray any product on it. I literally left it alone and just finger combed it. Well, that goes to show you, even when you buy the same wig as somebody, how we all individually decide to style it makes all the difference. I've seen some people that I like instantly fall in love with a wig on, and I'll purchase that same exact wig, and I'm just like, no, this ain't for me. But one second. I think this is just my first time walking through my first impressions of this type of wig. Looking at it with you right now, I am impressed with how the lace is laying on my skin. I did not add any makeup to the lace just yet, and I like how it looks. I'm kind of like pulling it down, and even without me cutting the lace, I do like how it kind of blends. Granted, it's just that little section that's peeking through. I have not sprayed any sheen on it. It's nice and shiny. But you know what? I'm going to take this another step and I'm going to give it a Simply T touch. So a lot of times I speed this part up, but just for the sake of keeping it all the way transparent with you guys, I do like to give you a step-by-step. So I did just go ahead and spray some of my Got2b to kind of get my cap to stick down. I'm a huge fan of this Bold Hold liquid gold. Now, a lot of my wig sisters use this and they slay a wig with no problem. I used this for a while, for a couple of years, and it would melt, it would lay down, it would be like, ooh, and then I would get to the day party or the function and my sweaty behind would just be like, ooh. So everybody's body chemistry works totally different. If you haven't seen that video or that first impression review, go ahead and click that link above. You'll see in a minute why I prefer to use this for most, if not all, of my wig installs that I share with you guys on here. I use this to seal my bald caps as well as attach my wigs temporarily. And it comes off with water. So I tend to use it not just to attach my wigs to my head for a temporary hold, but I also use it for my bald cap methods. Go ahead and just add a few final touches to this unit, Miss Mindy. After a little customization, I am filling this wig. I love the thinness of the lace. I really do love the color. Outre definitely did their thing when it comes to the melted lace hairline, the melted hairline. Don't talk about the baby hairs just yet. Just don't talk about the baby hairs just yet. But anywho, I like the fact that it was preset to be a side part anyway, because you know I am a side part kind of girl anyway, especially when you are a beginner or somebody who is not trying to do too much to your wig straight out the pack, is to set it to the side. So the fact that this wig came out of the pack, you know, kind of set to be a side part, I will definitely say on a scale of to beginner friendly, I'm gonna go ahead and give this 3.5 to 4 lazy girl stars. So if you are loving the curls, if you are loving the lay of the side part, the lace and everything else that I've shown you throughout this video, and you're curious to see if this will fit on you for the wedding, the birthday celebration, the graduation, or whatever occasion that you have coming up within the next 7 to 14 days, and you're on a budget and you don't really care much about wigs, or you don't really care much about glue, I'll go ahead and add this girl onto the list for you. No lie, no cap, no extra stuff, okay? If you decide to go this route. And of course, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, you're gonna click that big red button. And you're also gonna share this video with a friend who's gonna tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a mama. Or you can go ahead and click that notification bell just to see what other affordable, super beginner, glueless friendly wig ideas I bring to my channel for you. All right, thank you so much for clicking play, and I will see you next time, same place. Peace out.